Hey, what's up guys? I'm Shubham and many users ask me about this beautiful widget. Actually, in many devices missing this widget and many users ask me about this widget, how to add on their devices. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful Samsung widget on your One UI 7 devices. So let's begin. Actually guys, this is Samsung S23 FE device and my S23 FE device after One UI 7 update also missing this widget. I will show you. This beautiful widget also missing on my device. Then first go to Play Store and search Samsung Health and install this Samsung Health app on your Samsung device. Now after install, simply go to home screen and you can see this app installed on our Samsung device. Then simply tap go to widget and guys simply find Samsung Health. You can see this beautiful widget now add on our Samsung device. Simply add on home screen and you can see this beautiful One UI 7 widget on your Samsung device. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.